Welcome back to CodeCraft by MAK. In the last video, we explored tuples in Python, immutable collections. Now it's time to learn about one of the most powerful data types in Python, that is dictionaries. A dictionary is a collection of data stored in key value pairs. It's like a real dictionary where each word has a meaning. We create a dictionary using curly braces. For example, student is equal to curly braces name Ali, age 20, grade A. Print student. This will print the dictionary in this format. Accessing dictionary values. We access values by using their keys. For example, print student name, it will print Ali, and print student grade, it will print A. Modifying dictionaries. Dictionaries are mutable, we can change them. For example, student age is equal to 21, student city is equal to Lahore, print student. Now the dictionary includes a new key value pair of city. Adding and removing items. We can add new items by assigning a new key and remove items with .pop or del keyword. For example, student role is equal to 101, student.pop grade del student city. Looping through dictionaries. We can loop through keys, values, or both. For example, for key in student, print key colon student key, or using a dot items function. For example, for key value in student data items, print key comma value. Some handy functions for dictionaries are length of student means number of key value pairs, student.keys list of keys, student.values list of values, and student.items list of key value pairs. And that's dictionaries in Python, powerful collections for storing key value data. In the next video, we will cover sets in Python, another unique collection type. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson only on MAK CodeCraft by MAK. Thank you.